today, and yeah, so looking forward to reaching that 100 mark. I think I will do something special, but today I am on my way to Wales, to a campsite I've been before with John and the kids, but today I'm just going to go there and meet a few friends. I'm not going to lie, today I was feeling anxious and I did not want to go. There was absolutely no reason for me to feel anxious, but I did, to the point where I was messaging John saying I actually don't want to go anymore, but that would be silly, because actually it was me who organised the meetup. So yeah, I forced myself out. Like I said, there's no reason for me to feel anxious at all, apart from probably just my hormones. So yeah, I'm about an hour away, so I will see you at campsite. See you for now. I've got an hour to kill, so I thought I'd have a chat and then straighten you up first. I know I've only got 80 subscribers, and whilst it doesn't sound like a lot at all, I just want to kind of highlight that really I've only been doing this for about 2 years, and I've not really been promoting it as such. Realistically, actually, I've only just started uploading videos maybe about a year and a half ago, really, just to kind of capture my journeys and adventures that I have with friends and with John, and I think I really did it just to remind myself of these adventures, because I do enjoy watching my own videos, and I'm not sure if anybody else does, just to kind of highlight the adventures that I've done in the past before, and it's something that I want to kind of look back on with friends and family as well, and to share with family and friends, and I do get quite a lot of my work friends in particular who feel inspired, hopefully. Some people, you know, with friends on social media as well. I feel I have inspired quite a few people to do something, which is nice, because the messages I get through are very motivating in that sense. So I do enjoy that aspect of it all. Ultimately, you know, it'd be great if, you know, I can make a living out of it, so I don't have to work, but, you know, it's a nice thing to have. It's not something that I aspire to do. So yeah, I think whilst 80 subscribers doesn't sound like a lot, for me it's quite an achievement, really. Like I said, I've not really driven it in the sense of plastering my YouTube channel on every social media platform. So I would say to John before that it would be nice maybe to celebrate 100 subscribers with something. I'm not sure what just yet, so I will cross that bridge when I come to it. But yeah, I you know, it's hard work, and I playing with the options, functions available to you. I've, you know, when I look back at my first videos, I feel I have come a bit of a way. So yeah, but there you go. If you've got any suggestions of what I should do for when I do reach 100 subscribers, then please drop a note in the comments. But if you can help me reach 100 subscribers, that would be awesome too. So yeah, catch up with you later. Just stop very quickly for this view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Only a few minutes away now. But who ordered rain, for crying out loud? The forecast for this weekend is going to be nice though, hopefully. We shall see. Yeah, we're camping near there. Basically, actually, you can see just where it's tipping out there. That's where we're camping, I think. There's something special about being by the sea, isn't there?
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Okay, let's check in. We're here. Don't know if everybody else is here yet, but yeah. Just going to check in now. I've got to video this.
I said the things you want me to might lead to someone else but you. I'd show you all around. There's anything left in this town. I said the things you want me to might lead to someone else.
It's gone 7 o'clock. I'm hungry because I haven't eaten anything today, so let's get some dinner on. Let's see what we've got today. I am going to go for treated myself to a nice steak from Asda No Mind, 21 day matured, and got some mushrooms to go with it. And then I've got steak and mash. These are fantastic, these. So let's get cooking. Done. Cook the mushrooms a bit longer, and the water's boiled enough, I think. Forgotten knife and forks. Alright, I'm just going to have to eat my chopsticks. Always the chopsticks, of course. That's tongue-in-cheek, by the way, of course. mash is so buttery, it's just so delicious. I know, don't judge me, but listen, it's all about convenience at the end of the day. Here you go. My dinner. The view. I'm going to eat with chopsticks. Good morning. So, I slept relatively well last night. I had my boot kept open, but obviously closed the awning tent down. However, I think it's 3 inches, 3-inch foam mattress is now probably 2 or 1 inches. So yeah, I could feel the hard surface underneath. So I brought my Technology mattress with me. So I'll try that tonight, hopefully. And the Technology mattress is really comfortable. It's just a case of how it's going to fit in my car. Sorry, meaning what the fit's like, but it's a beautiful morning, I think. I've not actually been outside, but all I've done is look at it hanging up. There's sun kind of popping through the tent. Yeah. Make coffee, have breakfast. See you later. What's the word? Anyway, and an alternative solution. I have no idea. I've got no idea. I'm suffering from massive brain fog at the moment. I've been mid-sentence and I have no idea what I want to say. So hopefully this weekend will help me a little bit in resetting. Right, so for tonight's dinner, I'm going to cook up this self-heating spicy mix, awful hot pot. And I think it's like one of those MRE meals where I kind of heat up this chemical sachet type thing and it heats up my dinner, so it should be nice and easy. So it's 15 minutes, so let's see what, let's have a go. Heating pouch, and it says to remove plastic bag on the put this in here. Now I need to guess how much is 250 mil. So I'm going to use my water bottle. It's doing something already. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's boiling. Right, I think that's 15 minutes. Let's have a look. Just feel hot. going to be spicy. Let's try a lotus fruit. It's hot. It's spicy. So spicy. Really, really hot. I'm impressed. £7 don't mind. My little gang.
I am very easy.
Little beach fire.
And it's cold. We've got a bag of ice in the sections.
We finished the evening off just sitting on the beach with a beach fire and watching the sunset, which has been a dream of mine since childhood, because it brings back lots of childhood memories when I grew up in Hong Kong in my very, very infant years. And yeah, it was absolutely stunning just watching the sunset and the skyline change. Beautiful.
All I'm saying.
Thank you for joining me once again on my little adventure in Wales, car camping. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Happy adventure, everyone!